Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we will be discussing how to make FiveM run better on a low-end PC. So if you have a low-end PC or laptop, this video is specifically for you to run FiveM better. Now the very first thing is we're going to be recognizing that why basically FiveM lags. Then we're going to be checking system, then we have graphic settings, and then advanced tweaks. Then you also need to install a couple of Windows drivers and fix some common issues. Now why basically it lags is you need to check that whether you have the appropriate requirements. So you can see the real RAM needed is going to be 16 gigabytes. So the problem is going to be happening once you have 8 gigabytes of RAM. It is going to be stuttering, lagging, and not working that smoothly. So you need to have 16 gigabytes of RAM, and then once you do have, make sure you have good CPU and GPU as well. So you need to head over to your graphics settings inside the game and set these settings which are on your screen, and most probably it is going to be working much better. So I hope this video was informative, and see you guys in the next video.